Here's the latest update of the tropical storm Verbena. So currently it is located on the east of Mindanao and its track is going to the northwest of the Philippines, specifically in the Visayas. So by 2 a.m. tonight, it will pass through the Visayas area, specifically northern Bohol, Cebu, and also Leyte, going through the Negros Island and also Panay. So many classes were suspended already due to this tropical typhoon. So everyone is advised to take shelter and keep safe. And that's the latest update of our weather system. Thank you.